Okay, virus, virus, not virus. I can always hear students pronouncing this as virus, or they say coronavirus. So it's not virus, but it's virus. Repeat after me. Virus. Now the word singer. Singer. From the word sing. Okay, and you just add er with the sound Singer. Singer. Good. No G sound. Not singer. Okay? Not singer, but singer. Alright. You're good. Repeat after me. Singer. Good job.
Today's video is about commonly mispronounced English words by Japanese learners. I want to help you with your pronunciation. Listen carefully to the pronunciation of the words and repeat after me. Let's start!
Before we start, let me ask you this. Why should we study English pronunciation? Well, of course, it's the first and biggest thing people notice when you are speaking English. Right away, people will notice if your pronunciation is good or bad. There's high-level vocabulary or advanced, but you can also use simple words. Same with grammar. You can use advanced or simple grammar structures, but there's no simple pronunciation. So let's get started with our commonly mispronounced English words by Japanese learners. Listen carefully to the proper pronunciation of the words and repeat after me. I'll be here to help you with your pronunciation. So, the first word is this. Okay, virus. Virus. Not virus. I can always hear students pronouncing this as virus, or they say coronavirus. So it's not virus, but it's virus. Repeat after me. Virus. Now the word singer. Singer. From the word sing. Okay, and you just add er with the sound Singer. Singer. Good. No G sound. Not singer. Okay? Not singer, but singer. Alright. You're good. Repeat after me. Singer. Good job. Wood. Wood. Not would. W is not silent. We should read W sound, and that's wood. Repeat after me. Wood. Good job. Flower. Flower. Alright. Flower, not flower. Flower is a different word, and it has 2 syllables. Flower. But this one is flower. Repeat after me. Flower. Good job. Seat. Seat. Right. Seat. Not sheet. Sheet is S-H-E-E-T. Sheet. Right. But this is not SH sound. It's seat. A-B-C. Seat. Repeat after me. Seat. Trouble. Trouble. Okay. Different from the word travel. Okay, what's the difference here? This is B sound, lips together, b, 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 trouble, trouble. But this is V sound. Okay, so you have to touch the upper teeth to your lower lip. V, V sound, travel. This is travel. This is trouble. They're not the same. Trouble. Salad. Salad. 2-syllable word. Salad. Salad. Not sarada. Sarada has 3 syllables. But in American English, it's salad. Alright. Repeat after me. Salad. Good. Text. Text. Not tekis. So it is 1-syllable word. Text. If you say tekis, that becomes 2-syllable word. But this is just 1. We say text. Repeat after me. Text. Alright. World. World. Notice R first, then L and D. World. D. World. World. Very good. Repeat after me. World. Nice. Cinema. Cinema. Okay. Not cinema, but cinema. A, B, C. Cinema. That's the technique. Repeat after me. Cinema. Allergy. Allergy. Not allergy, but allergy. Repeat after me. Allergy. Good job. Star. Star. Open your mouth. Ah. Star. Okay? If you don't open your mouth in pronouncing this word, it will sound like stir. Stir. Take note, stir is a different English word. Like mix your coffee, stir your coffee. Alright? So if you mean star, then open your mouth. Okay? Chin down. Ah, ah. Star. Repeat after me. Star. Good. Tissue. Tissue. Not tish, but tissue. 2-syllable word. Okay? Repeat after me. Tissue. Tissue. Good job. Heart. Heart. Okay, open your mouth for this. Ah, heart. Okay, I always hear students pronouncing this as hurt, so it sounds like hurt. H-U-R-T. Itay. But if you mean heart, then open your mouth, chin down. Ah, ah, heart. Repeat after me. Heart. Very good. Vacation. Vacation. Not vacation, but vacation. Okay? Be careful on the first syllable of the word. Vacation. Repeat after me. Vacation. Really. Really. Okay. Yes, this is so common in mispronunciation. R first, you curl the tip of your tongue. And for L, it will touch the back of your upper teeth. So re, smile, re, and then for the L, touch the upper teeth, the back of the upper teeth of your mouth. Okay, Lee. Really. really. Repeat after me. Really. Okay, so not leery or leerly, really. Alright, very clean. Film, film. Not film, but film. From film. Film. Repeat after me. Film. Nice. Okay, almost everyone's favorite. Coffee. Coffee. Yes, not coffee, but coffee. F. F. The secret? Touch your lower lip to your upper teeth, and it's non-voice. Coffee. Coffee. Because if you say coffee, that's H, right? H, ha, just blow out air. Ha, coffee. That's katakana English, I guess. But when you say this word in American English, be careful. It's coffee. Coffee. Good. And this word, car. Again, you just open your mouth. Bigger opening of your mouth. Ah, ah, car. Car. Okay, because if you don't open your mouth a little bigger, it'll sound like cur. Cur. And you won't be easily understood what you were talking about. What's cur? But it's car. Car. Repeat after me. Car. Good. Lastly, change. Change. Alright, just one syllable, one sound. Change. Change. Not changey. Changey becomes two-syllable word. Okay, so it's change. Repeat after me. Change. Good job.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't give up English. You can do it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.